Good morning guys, my name is Evan, I'm from Sekolah High School Indonesia and I'm here to present about my physics project is fluid mechanics. First thing is the project focus question this term is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics. And the big question is why is rationality an essential skill for a visionary leader? And the outcome in this term is able to conclude solution of a physics case based on concept in fluid mechanics. And the SDG that is integrate with fluid mechanics or the physics project is number 9 because we need to accelerate the development of the manufacturing sector if they are met the 2030 target and scale up investment in scientific research and innovation. Not a problem. In HBIL, sometimes my feet gets cold when turning on the AC while studying, which I always turn on and turn off the AC every 30 minutes. This has been my daily life while using my AC. Sometimes my feet gets cold, but this issue indicates that the body has poor blood circulation. I create a statement based on the summary that I experience, reading and finding what I want to focus on. In here, I find and list down the daily phenomena that I want to observe further. The project focus question in this term is to find one specific area where scientists can transform and reshape the world into a place where all living things and humans can live normally and in harmony. With the help of physics, I need to choose a specific world issue or crisis that I want to focus on. As today, I have a lot of mind by observe further, reading, experience, and based on my personal priority scale, the list and issue or crisis that I find and need to be scientific are first, hair dryer. If we center the dryer above our head and point down, we can feel the sheer force of blowing over our head and hair. Next is car. Without fluid mechanics, the car cannot move. Then soap dispenser. With Pascal theory, in the fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss of every portion of the fluid and the wall of the container. In step 2, I need to create a question based on a summary of my reading, classroom discussion, and my concern, and my own finding or the result of my conversation with people. In here, I ask, why do hairdryer need fluid mechanics? How hairdryer could work with fluid mechanics? When can I make things work with a fluid concept? How can soap dispenser work? What do you think about fluid in our daily life? And where can fluid be used in our daily life? Build and construct my own hypothesis or testable explanation. If you don't know hypothesis, it's an idea that is suggested an explanation for a natural event, a particular experience, or a specific condition that can be tested through definable experimentation. It states that the purpose of my experiment, the variable used, and my prediction outcome of my experiment. In step 3, I made 3 hypotheses. The first one is soap dispenser make it easier for people to wash their hand because they just need to press the button to let the soap out. The second one is when the car is driving, the gas came out from the engine. The third one is by creating a tool that can dissolve cold, heat device can warm out feet and will solve the problem in our daily life. A prediction. Here, I need to make a prediction to the study and experience of my design to test my hypothesis. In the outcome that I would observe in my hypotheses were supported. In here, I made 3 predictions. The first one is, if soap dispenser need fluid to run, then it will be more easier for people to get soap. The second one is if auto car need food to run, then it could make a pollution. And the third one is if feed warmer need thermal convection to solve the problem, then my feet could be warmer. In step 5, I need to list the issue or crisis, then do a comprehensive study on an ongoing or past research in physics that is studied or conducted to solve the problem. This part of the scientific method will be based on my reasoning in conducting my Gedeken experiment. The issue or crisis that I put in the step 5 are traffic, brush teeth, soap dispenser, cold feet, and push thing. In step 6, after I conduct and follow some research, I get feedback from the teacher. Then, I decide on one global issue or crisis that I want to focus on. In step 6, I choose to be focused on cold feet. In step 7, results are where my report on my finding research that include detailed all observation, data, and fact made by during my research finding and elaborate the physics concept, law, or theory that are used in my research. So in here, the main issue is during the HBIL, my feet is always getting cold and I need something to make my feet hot. The fluid mechanic that used in this issue is thermal convection, which the heat is that hot substance flow from one place to another and transport thermal energy according. From the picture above, we can see that the heating element is made out of nichrome wire, which is a resistor. A resistor resists the flow of electric energy, turning into a heat energy. In this tool, the air blows past the resistor, absorbing heat as it passes. The tool works by blowing room temperature air in through the vent. The air then passes over nichrome wire, then heated it, making it able to blow the tool with hot air. The process of air blowing on the hair speed if water evaporate. Applying power to the tool allowed the motor to start spinning the fan inside. And that is what draws the air in through a small air hole on the side of the tool. In the final step, where all of my results from the literature research are analyzed and a determination is reached about my hypothesis. This is also the part where I start designing a scenario on how to do an official publication in my small community of Sekolah High School Indonesia. From my research finding on the issue of cold feet, my first hypothesis is proven to be correct because by using this device, it can be solved the issue quickly and the device could not last long because of overheating. I hope this video could make you learn more about how to make a solution based on the issue or the problem by using physics concept. Then make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you!